guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I'm throwing it back to the 1970s today with Mom's favorite dessert. If you are younger than 40, you may not understand the nostalgia that goes along with this classic retro dessert. Basically, not a month went by without a pineapple upside down cake sitting on the counter in every kitchen across every town USA. Well, today I'm bringing it back, veganized and better than ever, so if you've got a can of pineapple rings and those horrible maraschino cherries, all you need is my bakery recipe for yellow cake and you are halfway there. So let's get going, and first to prepare the sugar, and you may already be saying, what the heck is she doing? Why are you cooking it? I know, most people just melt the butter, pour it into the pan, and then throw brown sugar all over that. But this technique by cooking the sugar goes all the way back to my bakery days when we would use this sugar schmear in bulk, not only for pineapple upside down cakes, but for pecan sticky buns too. It's sort of a one-size-fits-all sugar schmear, and I guess it's true what they say, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. So anyway, I'm melting the vegan butter with the brown sugar. Yes, I'm using muffin pans for individual portions of this classic cake, and also a variation with baby bundt pans. So next goes the pineapple ring and then the cherry, but if you are using the baby bundt pan, you can't put the cherry on until after it's baked. I do love the baby bundt version because you get this cool little center hole that you can fill up with pineapple buttercream for a much different and modernized version of a classic, but I'm getting ahead of myself as usual. Let's get to mixing the easy yellow cake recipe, and that's literally just adding all of the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. I've got everything listed out for you on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com, so head over there to grab the recipe. It's in printable form, and it doesn't get any easier than this, I'm telling you. My oven is preheating while I'm filling up the cake batter right on top of that pineapple and sugar mixture, almost to the top, like 3/4 of the way to the top. Now, while the cakes are baking, I'm going to throw some very well-drained crushed pineapple and rum extract into some buttercream. This is going to fill up the centers of my baby bunts, and I'm not usually a fan of rum extract, but this one by Olive Nation is really good, and if you click through to grab this recipe, there's a 20% off coupon code to Olive Nation for you if you want to go ahead and check out their website. Okay, now to finish these little guys up, once they come out of the oven, you really don't want to let them sit in the pans to cool like we normally do. You're going to want to unmold them while they're still semi-hot. Otherwise, that sugar sticks in the pan and it is a nightmare to get these cakes out. And basically, you're done. But if you made the mini bundt cakes like I did, you may want to go ahead and make some buttercream and add some pineapple like I did, and then pop those cherries on top. And there you have yourself a retro classic dessert that is slightly modernized and totally delicious. Super fluffy cake with a moist, tender crumb. That brown sugar syrup soaks right in. I love the pineapple buttercream combo. And it basically turns this otherwise simple and rustic cake into a restaurant-style plated dessert. So I hope you're going to want to try it. As always, the recipes are at gretchensveganbakery.com. And thanks to everyone for watching and supporting. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.